Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Life Vlog. Today I'm going to prepare a super nice delicious Suji or Semolina cutlet. This can be prepared for breakfast, evening snacks or party. So let's get started.
Here are all the ingredients we will need for this recipe. To make the cutlets, the first step we need to preheat the pan. Once it's hot enough, we need to pour the water, 1 cup. Then add semolina or suji, half cup. Add capsicum, half cup. Along with that, add carrot, half cup. Add corn, half cup. Add onion, half cup. Add green chilli, 2 pieces or as per your taste. Now here come the seasoning. Add red chilli powder, half tsp or teaspoon. Salt, half teaspoon. Black pepper, half teaspoon. Cumin seeds, half teaspoon. It is optional. Add chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 cup. Add little bit olive oil, 1 teaspoon. Now cook all this really well for 4 to 5 minutes. Now it's really well cooked and mixed, and I'm going to keep this aside for some time. Here I have suji and vegetable mixture, and now I'm going to put all-purpose flour or maida 2 tablespoons to combine or to set the mixture together. Here the mixture has cooled down completely. I have breadcrumbs ready. I have taken 1 cup or 4 to 5 bread pieces. Here I have 2 tablespoons of maida to make the maida paste for cutlets. In this we add little water at a time and make a thin batter. And we need oil also. Now it's time to make the cutlets. First I'm going to shape the cutlets in a heart shape. You can make any shape you want. Now I'm going to coat the cutlet, dip a cutlet in a maida paste and then drop it into the breadcrumbs. Here we go, the cutlet coat is done. So now I'm going to repeat the same process again to make all the cutlets. A very important instruction is make sure you give the 15 to 20 minutes to rest to the cutlets before frying. It's very important, it helps in frying. Now all cutlets are made, got rest and ready to fry. Here I have the oil hot and ready. I'm going to drop them in and deep fry them in medium flame, slowly. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to have a nice golden color. Here you can see the cutlets are looking great, isn't it? Perfect in color. and shape as well. So now time to take them out. Looking great, really heart shape. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Here we go. Looks very crunchy and crispy. Let me break one piece. Oh my god, so hot and yummy.
So friends, if you like this video, please like it and share with your friends and families, and please do subscribe to my channel. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye.